hindi natin ito, luwakan. The abdomen is divided into 4 quadrants. So, the division is the line along the mid-sternal line and crossing horizontally the umbilicus, dividing into 4 quadrants. The right, upper and lower, the left, upper and lower. Ibababa lang natin to, ha? Para makita natin yung whole abdomen. So, simplest view is without exposing yung mga ano yan. Masyado masikip. So, the upper border is here. Ito lang, ha? So, may grade na kayo kaagad yan. So you take note the shape of the abdomen, no? So, pag sinabi mong shape, 3-dimensional yan. You have to look tangentially. Kung makikita mo, parang flat siya. So, the abdomen is flat. Take note whether there are asymmetry or symmetry of the abdomen. So, symmetrical naman siya. Walang bulging of the flanks, so. And there are hyperpigmented spot at the upper quadrant, at the almost the line, no? Kung ganun yan, you can use yung regions. So, ano yung regions?
Left.
Diba, the regions is you divide the line along the subcostal mark, subcostal angle, and the axis, and the midclavicular line, producing 9 regions. This is umbilical, epigastric, and hypogastric region. Left and right, hypochondria. Left and right,
Lumbar.
lumbar, and left and right,
Iliac.
iliac. So this is at the
Lumbar.
almost umbilical region. No?
Umbilical.
This also. See whether there are visible vessels, blood vessels. May pen light kaya?